Today, we're going to show you how to use the relay function in our control system. As you may know, a relay is an electrically operated switch which uses a smaller current to control a bigger current. It plays the roles of automatic adjustment, safety protection, and conversion circuit in the circuit. The control box in this video has one relay board, including 4 relay slots, which means you can connect 4 electric appliances to the control system. Technically, our control box supports 2 relay boards, which are 8 relay slots at maximum. The 2 applications that we use today are an LED light strip and a small circulation pump. Please refer to the following for the parameters of the relays. Click on the link below for more details. Here's the circuit diagram for connecting the light. Now let's start. These are the 2 wires of the light. We also need a cable gland. Remember to turn off the control box first. Follow the steps. This control box has 4 relay slots. Now we're going to connect them to the first terminal block. They are all pluggable blocks that can be easily removed. Connect wires to the first 2 ports, which represent COM and NO, separately. Now we're going to show you how to set it. Access the menu. Find the I/O setting option. Keep pressing B2 to find the relay option. After entering it, select Relay 1, turn it on. Here are 6 different options corresponding to different scenarios. You can choose one of them according to your preferences. For example, we want the light to come on when the pool cover is running, which means that regardless of whether the cover is opening or closing, the light will definitely come on as long as the cover is moving. Now let's take a look at how it's working. If you use the button or remote control to open the cover, you'll see that the light comes on immediately. If you pause the movement of the cover, the light goes out. When the pool cover moves again, the light comes on too. Now we'll show you how to connect this pump to the second relay slot. The steps are the same as before. The setup steps are also basically the same as the previous ones. Access the menu. Find the I/O setting option. Keep pressing B2 to find the relay option. After entering it, select Relay 2. Turn it on. If you want the pump to start working after the pool cover is completely opened, select C1 opened. As you can see here, at this time, the pump is not started. Once the pool cover is fully open, the pump will start working. Which means, when you begin to close the cover, the pump will stop working.